So I've tried something out so that you can check your PDFs in your images in a better way. So this is the form that I had given to my students, and I have 26 responses received. Now I just go on to the responses, and I go to the individual responses. In the individual responses, I go to last few responses that were left to be checked. So I go to response number 24, and I just click on this PDF, this image. This image opens. I click on this plus here. I don't need to download it, and I see that it is done correctly. I feel there is nothing wrong in it. So I just want to give 5 on 5 to this child, and I just highlight there because here I want to give the child. So I get the option of write the comment. So I write 5 on 5. Very good. Right? So I just comment means I've saved it. Now I again go on to this. I go to the three dots here, and I go to the share option, and I'll get this link. Get the link. This is only people added, so I just change this because it has to be anyone with the link so that the child is able to see. I copy the link, and I go on to the form once again. This was the child's form. I go back here. I have given 5 on 5, so I add 5 marks over here. I go to the add individual feedback. I add this link, and I add it. I save it. I've given 5 marks, so I now save it again, and I feel once it's done, so I just release the score. So that's it. It is going to ask me to whom I want to send. So I want to send it to this child. Just tick here, and I send the emails, and I release the score. All right. So that is that simple. I go on to the next child now. Next responses of roll number 25. Again, this is again an image. So I click on this image. It's opened. I click on this plus sign, and I find here the statement is written correctly, but I feel here that the given and to prove are missing. So I just make a block here, and I write given to prove missing. And I go on to comment. Rest everything is done correctly. So I think I should give 4 marks to the child. I again highlight this area, and I write 4 out of 5 marks scored. And I go to the comment section. I click on the comment. Then I need to check the link. So I copy the link. Again, it is anyone on the link and anyone can view. So again, I copy the link. It is done. And again, I go back to the form of this child. And this form I have filled myself just to see whether how do I get the scores. So I add the individual feedback. To add the feedback, I can write the feedback, or I can just click the link. I quickly paste the link. I add this feedback, and I save it. Okay. Now this feedback has been added. I can see the link has come here. Okay. Now I'll go on to this. I'll see I want to give how much. So 4 marks I want to give here. I've given the 4 marks, and I save it. Now once I've saved, I'll just release the scores individually. It's going to ask where do I want to send it, and it is going to be sent. So now I'll check my mail whether it has reached me or not. So it's already here. Let me open and check. I'll just view it. So the feedback is here. I'll click on this. And the comments are there. This is what I wanted to give to my child. So the images can be checked very easily like this. My comments are going to be reflected to the child. So this is how we can check the image. Now I'll also show you, this was the image that I had received, which if you remember I had sent to my student after writing some remark. Now this is the remark. I'll show you how the remark I had written. I had written 5 on 5, very good. So I sent to the child and I just asked her. She has got this kind of an image she has got in the comment section. So if you can see here, the comment is very much visible here. 5 on 5, very good. It has gone to the child. So my purpose is solved. Let me try if it works for the PDFs also. We'll do the same thing for the PDF now. So again, I go to my form and I go on to the last response for response 26. This is one child who was given the response to me in the form of PDF. Very easily the PDF can be checked. So I open the PDF here. It would have been done for this PDF also. Supposing I want to add a comment here, I add this comment that this is correct, given is correct, to prove is correct. So I feel the theorem has been done correctly. So again, I highlight it and I write the comment that 5 out of 5, good work or very good, right? And I write the comment here. So this is done. I again take the link from here. I share. Anyone with the link, copy link, and I go back to the form here. I add feedback. I want to attach the link, so I again simply attach the link. I add and I save. Now the marks the child has scored is 5, so I put 5 here and it is scored. It is saved. I release the score. So this is done. Now this was the feedback comment that I had sent to the child. I have just asked her that what has she received. So she sent me the image. Just see what the child has received from us. This is how the child is getting it. If you can see down below, my comment is written there. The highlighted portion is shown and the comment is written that Gitika Datta has posted 5 out of 5 marks. So with one method only we have checked the PDF as well as the images. I think it will save your time. You don't need to download anything. You don't need to upload anything. Just open the individual forms. Each form, so side by side, start releasing the scores to the students and it won't take much time. So try it out. Whichever one method you find easier, you can use that. Totally up to you. So thank you so much.